OSHA approved here. You gotta have your PP on to drive the truck.
Welcome back to where it all began. Just over there. Number 1.
You're so cool.
Alright guys, so roll cage weekend number 1.
It's pretty quiet.
I know, it's kind of early. Sorry, I was trying to get some vlog footage.
Without the safeties on?
Oh no.
Yeah, yours.
0.7425.
Yep.
Band angle. Should be 56.6.
Yeah, 56.6 again.
And then the other one should be 33.4.
Yeah, whatever the last one was.
So, in between, it's about in between those two ones.
It's about in between.
We're going straight to it, or are we?
We'll bounce back. Alex, go ahead.
Get the calculator on Dylan on my toolbox.
About 37.
Exterior? Did we have one of the marks off for the VIN of it?
I don't know, but we're.
I can't tell. I think we might have.
That or
Did we?
I have no idea.
That's what we want.
We might have did it right. That was an accident. Are we gonna? We're gonna have an
If
angle.
anything, your side might be a little long. This guy might be a little long.
Where?
This guy's a little long.
Is it?
Yeah. Lift yours all the way up into the roof.
Well, yeah. There we go.
Oh no, that'll be good.
That's it.
That'll work.
It's right there.
Alright Alex, why don't you tell us what you've been doing today?
Me personally, I have helped bend part of the roll cage that you can no, you cannot see behind me. I was going to point to it. We also finished cutting out all the box pieces that we're going to use to mount part of the roll cage on, and we are angle grinding them to weld prep them right now. If you turn, there's one right there in the middle of weld prepping it on the edge.
Alright Johnny, what are you bending?
A tube.
For what?
The chassis. Very
stuff.
important. Safety #1 priority.
Woohoo!